In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reprint QuickBooks Online pay stubs and paychecks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your QuickBooks account, how to find the specific pay periods you need, and how to print clean professional copies for your records or for your employees. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct company if you manage more than one, because pay stubs are specific to each company file. Once you're in, look for the payroll area on the left-hand menu. Depending on your version of QuickBooks, this might also appear under a section called Workers. The wording can vary a bit, but you're essentially looking for the section where you manage employee pay. From there, click on Employees. This is where QuickBooks organizes all payroll-related information for your staff. After that, look for an option called Paycheck List, Payroll Payment List, or sometimes Paycheck List. They all refer to the same thing: a list of individual payments that have been processed for your employees. When you're on this list, you'll probably see a lot of paychecks, especially if you've been running payroll for a while. To narrow it down, use the filter options at the top of the screen. You can filter by date range, which is helpful if you know the specific pay period or approximate pay date, and you can also filter by employee if you're looking for just one person's pay stubs. Taking a moment to filter will save you time and help you avoid printing the wrong paycheck. Once you see the pay stub or pay stubs you need, check the box next to each one you want to reprint. You can select a single paycheck or multiple at once if you're printing several periods for the same employee. Next, look for the Print button. In some versions of QuickBooks, you may need to click an Actions drop-down first, and then choose Print Pay Stubs. Either way, you're telling QuickBooks that you want a printable version of the selected paychecks. QuickBooks will generate a PDF and open it in a new browser tab. Review the PDF to make sure the details look correct. Then click the printer icon within the PDF viewer. Choose your printer, adjust any print settings you need, like number of copies or page size, and confirm to print. That's all there is to reprinting pay stubs and paychecks in QuickBooks Online.